Frequently asked question number 64. Can I keep succulents in a semi or closed terrarium? Unfortunately guys, succulents are not meant to be kept in terrariums, be it a closed or an open terrarium. Because one, terrariums do not have a drainage, that is another issue. Apart from that, terrariums are built for plants that tend to like humidity. Now the moment you are going to keep your succulents inside them, there is going to be condensation, there is going to be moisture, there is going to be humidity inside that small little container, and in no time your succulents will start to rot. You can see over here my black prints, it's not getting much light, it has already started to stretch. So imagine if you're going to keep it inside an environment like that, and if you have a black prints, this is the first one that's going to get rotted. Probably in just 2 or 3 days it will start to rot. So I'm sure why this question is arise, because a lot of times you tend to see on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, people are making these terrariums with succulents. Now guys, those succulents will not last a very long time inside a terrarium. Maybe a month or so, that would work out really well, but after a month, like within a month itself, it will show signs that the succulent is in discomfort and it will start to stretch or it will start to drop the leaves. So there are going to be a lot of hassles. Remember, succulents are not meant for terrariums. You can grow, there are ample amount of other plants that are like ferns, Phytonias, Syngoniums and other varieties which you can try, but succulents are a complete no-no for terrariums. Most probably, if the selection of the succulents are good, probably the terrarium might last for 2 months, max to max, again with a lot of difficulties. So ensure do not get yourself into that much of a mess, because sooner or later the succulents will start having issues inside a terrarium, both whether it's semi-closed or a completely closed. Completely closed, I don't think the succulents will survive for a couple of weeks. They will start to rot and they will start to have either mold or fungus growth on them, and that is going to completely destroy the succulent. So be very careful, choose wisely what container you're using for succulents. There are ample amount of containers, like you can go for small containers like plastic containers or papercrete pots or earthen pots, unglazed clay pots, concrete pots, ceramic pots if they're small enough. So do not try to challenge your succulent that you will try and make it grow in a terrarium. It's not going to work out like that. Sooner or later the succulent will start showing signs of discomfort. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.